Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. It's Outdoor Fridays, the day we highlight gear that makes camping, picnics, and adventures more enjoyable. Today we're looking at the Coleman RoadTrip 285 Portable Propane Grill, a popular choice for campers, tailgaters, and backyard grillers. Let's go over the good and the bad so you can decide if it's the right grill for you. The good starts with grilling power. With up to 20,000 BTUs, it's much stronger than most portable grills, so you can cook faster and more evenly. It comes with 3 adjustable burners which give you better control over cooking zones. Perfect for grilling burgers on one side while keeping veggies warm on the other. The built-in thermometer helps you monitor cooking temperatures without guessing. The cooking space is another plus. With 285 square inches of grilling area, you can cook enough food for a small group at once, something many portable grills can't handle. Setup is simple too. The folding legs and wheels make it easy to transport, set up, and pack away. The side tables give you extra space for utensils or prep, and the grease tray makes cleanup more manageable. On the downside, while it's portable, it's heavier and bulkier than smaller tabletop grills, so it's better for car camping or tailgating rather than backpacking. It also uses small 1-pound propane cylinders, which means for longer cooking sessions you may need extras, or an adapter hose for larger tanks. And like most portable grills, the grease tray still requires frequent cleaning to avoid buildup. So, is it worth it? If you want a powerful, versatile portable grill for camping trips, beach days, or tailgating, the Coleman RoadTrip 285 is one of the best options available. But if you need something lighter or easier to carry long distances, a smaller tabletop grill might be better. Check the description for the product link and possible deals. And as always, do your own research before buying. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. We cover a new category every day of the week, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.